Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Optima versus Ford Fusion. Let's dive into their performance, starting with engine choices. The Optima often offers a 2.4-liter four-cylinder or a 2.0-liter turbo, while the Fusion provides a range including a 2.5-liter, 1.5-liter turbo and 2.0-liter turbo. Fuel economy varies, with some models achieving over 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Both offer automatic transmissions, with some Fusions featuring all-wheel drive. Moving inside, both sedans prioritize passenger comfort and modern technology. The Optima and Fusion offer spacious cabins, comfortably seating 5 adults, with ample legroom in the front and rear. Their infotainment systems, like Kia's UVO and Ford's Sync, provide intuitive interfaces, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist in many trims. On the road, the Optima typically offers a balanced ride, leaning towards comfort, while the Fusion often provides a slightly sportier feel. Both cars handle daily commutes well, with responsive steering. Trunk space is competitive, usually around 16 cubic feet, offering practical cargo solutions. In terms of reliability, both brands generally receive good marks, with many owners reporting satisfaction with their long-term dependability. When considering value, both the Optima and Fusion present compelling options across various trim levels and price points. Resale value can be strong for well-maintained models, and overall ownership costs are generally reasonable for the mid-size sedan segment. Ultimately, your choice depends on personal preference for driving dynamics, styling, and specific features. Don't forget to check the description below for links to other great deals, including a fresh scent for your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.